Hi, I'm Matthew Walsh from Hunk Love Volkswagen, and I'm here today to tell you how to connect your phone to your infotainment system in your new Volkswagen. So what you need to do when you're setting the system up is you need to turn the ignition on, as well as you also need to open your phone to the Bluetooth menu. So on Samsung, to do that, you press on hold on the Bluetooth button. It brings you to your Bluetooth menu. You tap here to make your phone visible so that the car can find your phone. You press Find New Cell Phone, very simple to do. Then click on Results, and you can see Matt's S5. So I click on that. It's going to ask to confirm a password that pairs on both phones. So they're the same on both. So I say OK on my phone, and I say yes here. It has to do a couple of confirmation checks. Electronic handshake. Now it's all connected up, and my phone is fully connected. So you press and hold here to set up your favorite. So I'm going to press and I'm going to hold on this. And you're going to see right now it says importing contacts. Once the contacts have been imported, it will list all of my contacts, and then I can then populate those 6 presets with the people I would call most often. And your phone is all connected. It displays your outdoor temperature, your signal strength, your battery strength. Now you can see the contacts have been imported and also the current time.